Hello everyone, my name is Kevin from RAMShard and welcome to the game tutorial. Have you just purchased your ARK server but have no idea how to connect? Well, today I'll be showing you how to do just that. First, head to your control panel and copy the IP and port. Once you do that, open Steam. Now find to the top bar where it says View and then click Servers. You'll want to go to the Favorites tab and then click Add a Server. Now paste in your server address. Then click Find Games at this address. You should see an ARK server pop up. Once you do, click Add Selected Game Server to Favorites. Now to connect to your server, there are actually two ways. You can either do it directly from the server menu on Steam, or you can launch up ARK and then click Join ARK, then near the bottom choose a filter for favorite servers. And if you need any further help with this, feel free to contact us on our live chat. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, then consider leaving a like and subscribing.